Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast bites. First, gather your ingredients: 6 slices of bread, 2 large eggs, and 1/4 cup of milk. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. You'll also need a non-stick pan and a shallow bowl for mixing. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick and delicious breakfast or brunch. Now let's prepare the delicious batter. In your shallow bowl, whisk together the 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 tablespoon of sugar until thoroughly combined. Next, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Make sure the mixture is smooth and uniform. This flavorful batter is the key to perfectly golden and tasty French toast bites. Time to cook. First, cut each slice of bread into 9 small, even squares. This size is perfect for bite-sized treats. Next, dip each bread square into your prepared egg batter, ensuring it's fully coated. Place them in a lightly buttered pan over medium heat. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Your French toast bites are ready. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings like maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dusting of powdered sugar. They're perfect for a cozy breakfast or a fun snack. For more great deals and to grab those little trees black ice air fresheners, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade French toast bites.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.